Day 2 of making this video. I've invested my time in learning some things. Sometimes I've brought out to plan the things, yet nothing is clear to me. Now I realize it most of the time when I tried to be a manager, I couldn't plan out the thing entirely, and my strategies never worked. It's a very hard thing just to plan a thing, a complete plan, an effective plan with everything happening like it should be. So maybe planning today might give me a challenge, but I will do it. Second thing, I wanted to improve my skills. I have totally forgotten what I had written a day ago, but I have put in some effort, time in learning some skill. I realize I have more shortcomings than I previously thought. I do not look charming. I have communication gaps and definitely not impressive. Previously, I have spent a lot of time learning sales pitch from multiple people like Jordan Belfort, Grant Cardone, and thousands of videos from different YouTube channels, writers, authors. And I have learnt a lot, but I'm not able to use them. Second thing, while giving an example, I could not pull the attraction of others, was not successful in that. Presenting a thing to somebody did not come as naturally it should come. My face doesn't stay where it should be. I should shave my I have to change the how I keep my face, how my facial reactions are. I recall Santosh sir pointing out my body language. I realize it now. So what happens is I have to do a lot of things regarding my body, and especially work out for nearly half an hour on daily basis. My hairlines are going back. I see myself growing bald in next 3-4 years. Very sad for me to see it happening, but it's already happening. I'm 23 and hairlines are falling. I'm 23 and I do not have any financial literacy. I sound very good, but the truth is, when you get an income, you should make sure you do not spend it. Your expenditure should be minimum and your saving should be maximum. Every point of time, whenever I have earned something, I never cared where the money was going. The expenditure are always there. Family requirement is always there. Commitments are always there. And this led for my financial failure. I don't see it stopping anytime soon. And I'm not good at my work. I have done multiple things in my life, and every time I try to quit. My first job at Kushal's, I waited every single day for every single time so that I could go home and do what I really wanted to do. I aspired to be a successful person, to start up my own business 3 years down the line of starting my job. Truth is, you have family commitment, family expectations, friends work requirement. The company pay you so that you can spend on yourself. Company is much smarter than we think they are. They do not care about their employees, or that there is minimum requirement for the job for which you'll have to spend. So any money that you earn is already going back to the job. So where's the benefit? It is very hard to earn money. A true fact, I learned a few factors today. India is going to be second highest richest country by 2050. It is going to happen. The big companies, the big giants are going to win. There is going to be big innovations. Robot is going to take over, and there is going to be ultimate job losses. All record time high. Now, today what we worry about are new gadgets, new iPhones, new technologies. But if we don't see it's a small, slow killer. Very soon there will not be enough jobs. So if I'm not skilled enough, I'll be having no job. Which is the reason why I'm looking for a government job 2 or 3 years down the line. I've realized that I have done lot of mistakes in my early age, which has led me where I am. People took me somewhere where I went. People spoke to me bad words, and just to mingle up with them, just to keep let the friendship be, just to keep them happy, I spoke to words. I uttered the words which I never wanted to. I said the words which I would never wanted to. Now word says me that I am wrong. The world says that I am not right for society, not good for them. They point out me. Now society is the worst place. They tell you the right and wrong. They put you in the place and you die, you suffer in the last. People who are alcoholic, there are people who taught them to drink. After some time they get out of this and the person is drunk. There is no job for him, there is no money with him, he is lost. Now somebody taught him, the society taught him to do it, and now society has simply discarded him. There is nudity all across, but a little nudity from your side will take your job off. An abusive language is, I could never stay at a place where abusive language were absent. Well, I'm not able to stick to the point. I'm not able to improve myself. I'm distracted by YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and talking with friends, talking with brother, talking the words which were okay by them but not by me. Now, there's a very small line between right and wrong. Now, if you do not know to balance, do not go on those lines. I have not taken my confirmation, whereas the new guys newer than me had taken confirmation at my workplace. They are successful. They have earned more incentive than me. I have not managed my people well. I have not done my job diligently. I do not have skills. I do not have people support, and this has left me miserable. I am already in PIP, that is worst place to be in. I believe if I do not do any business this month, I'll be thrown out of the job. I have to prove myself this month, take my confirmation, but I do not have license. People do not pick my call, and I have no source of income revenue for my business now. I have put in efforts, but that doesn't matter because there is no result. Now, quite a thing matter which I never thought earlier would matter. Life sounded very easy a few years ago, tougher now, and maybe much tougher further. I'm sad because I can see my hairlines going back and me being in financial troubles. I'm not able to manage myself, not able to manage others, have not acquired any skill in past 2 3 years. Not because it is hard, but because if you don't practice it more frequently, you forget them. You forgot them. If you haven't practiced enough, there is no use of you ever been learned anything. People do not respect me because they don't find me first thing an attractive and successful person. I do not have any credential, and we do not have any connection. My next challenge is how to create connection and the tonality and sentence pitch which I'm going to learn today. So my work today, my work now is to one, create a strategy for my success. Plan B, learn the tonality and pitch. Point 3, at least read half a audiobook or read something that would help me grow in this industry.